Hello children, welcome to Maths class. Let's continue the chapter place value. Next topic is comparing numbers. Comparing numbers. What is comparing numbers? Comparing numbers means finding which is greater or smaller in the given number or among the given number. Then look here, these are symbols used for comparing numbers. These are symbols used for comparing numbers, which are greater than. This is symbol for greater than. Less than. This is less than symbol. And then equal. These are symbols used for comparing numbers. Greater than this symbol and less than this symbol and then equal this symbol. Then let's take an example for this. Look here are two numbers, and then for comparing numbers, first of all count the digits. Here 1, 2, 3 digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Here 3 digits and here 4 digits. And which is greater number? Here the numbers having more digit is greater number and the numbers having less digit is smaller number. Here 3 digit and here 4 digit. Which is smaller and which is greater? Here 3 digit, that is 328 is the smaller digit. Then sharpen point towards smaller number. Look here, sharpen point towards smaller number and widen point towards greater number. Then next example. Look here. First of all, count the digit. Here 4 digits, here also 4 digits. How to compare this? Then we compare leftmost digit of this number. This is 4 is leftmost digit of this number and 6 is leftmost digit of this number. And then 4 and 6 compare. Which is smaller? 4 is smaller and 4 is smaller than 6. Therefore, 4 is less than 6. Therefore, 4328 is less than 6428. Then, next question. 7422 and then 7432. Look here. Here these numbers have equal digits. 4 digit number, this is 4 digit number, this also 4 digit number. Therefore, first we compare leftmost digit. Here 7, here also 7. Then what will do? Then we compare next digit. Here 4, 7, here 7. 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, we compare next digit 4 and 4. This also equal. Same digit. Then we move to next number. Here 2, here 3. Here 2, here 3. Which is smaller number, 2 or 3? Here 2 is smaller number. Therefore, 2 less than 3. Here 7422 less than 7432. And then first we compare leftmost digit, that is 7, and then we move to this. If this is equal, we move to next number 4. Then this also equal. Then we move to third number. Here 2 and here 3. 2 is less than 3. 2 is smaller than 3. Therefore, 7422 is less than 7432. Then next one. (36 plus 4) and 10 into 4. Look here. Here 36 plus 4 dash 10 into 4. First we solve this number. 36 plus 4. 37, 38, 39, 40. And then 10 into 4. Here 10 into 4 is equal to 40. And then 36 plus 4 equal to 40 and 10 into 4 is equal to 40. Therefore, these numbers are equal. 36 plus 4 is equal to 10 into 4. Then did you understand, students? Then once more. Look here. Here we have 4-digit number. This also 4-digit number. This also 4-digit number. Then first we compare leftmost digit. Here 4, here also 4. These are equal. Then we move to next number 3. And here also 3. These are also equal. Then we compare tens place digit 5 and here 5. These are also same. Then we take ones place digit number. Here 6, here 0. 6 and 0. Which is greater, which is smaller? 6 is greater than 0. 6 is greater than 0. Therefore, 4356 is greater than 4350. Then we are going to study next topic, ordering numbers. Ordering numbers. Ordering numbers. Then ascending order, and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging numbers, arranging the given numbers from the smallest to greatest. Then ascending order means arranging the given numbers from the smallest to greatest. That is arranging in increasing order. Then ascending order means arranging the given numbers from the smallest to greatest. Then descending order means arranging decreasing order. That is descending order means arranging the given numbers from the greatest to smallest. That is in decreasing order. Ascending order arranging smallest to greatest, and descending order arranging greatest to smallest. Ascending order means increasing order. That is, but descending order decreasing order. Then let's take an example. Then 328. Look here, we have 4 numbers: 4,328, 328, 5,352 and 2,399. Then first of all, we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now tell me what to do. Then first of all we count the digit. Then here 4 digits, here 3 digits, here 4 digits and here 4 digits. And then the numbers having smaller digit, the numbers having less digit is smaller number. Ascending order means arranging smallest to greatest. Then which is smallest number here? Here numbers having less digit is the smallest number. Therefore ascending order. Therefore here this is smallest number. First we write 328. This number have only 3 digits. Therefore this is the smallest digit, 328. Then this number cross out. Then next we compare these numbers: 4,328, 5,352 and 2,399. These numbers have 4 digits. Therefore we compare leftmost digit. Here 4, here 5 and here 2. Here which is smaller number? 4, 5 or 2? Which is smaller digit? Here 2 is smaller. Therefore we write 2,399 as second number. Then this number cut, cross out. Then next compare these two numbers, 4328 and 5352. Which is smaller here, 4 or 5? Here 4 is smaller. Therefore, we write 4328 as third number. Then last number 5352. Look here, first of all we count the digit of these numbers, and numbers having less digit is smallest number. Here 3, therefore here 328 is smallest number. Next smallest number 2399. Why? Compare the leftmost digit 4, 5, 2. 2 is the smallest number. Therefore 2399 is the second number. Then third number, compare this number and this number, and then 4 and 5, leftmost digit. Here 4 is the smaller number. Therefore we write 4328 as third number, and then last 5352. Then next question. $6,428 Look here, we have 4 numbers, and then first we count the digit of these numbers. Here 4 digit, here also these all numbers have 4 digit. Therefore we compare leftmost digit. Here 6, here 6, and here 6, and here 6. Then these leftmost digit numbers are same. Therefore we move to next number. Here 4, 4, 5, 5. Here 4, 4, 5, 5. Which is smaller number? 4 is smaller number than 5. Therefore, we compare these two digits, two numbers. We compare these two numbers. Here 4 and 4 equal number. Therefore, we compare tens place digit. Here 2, here 3. 2 or 3 is smaller number. 2 is smaller number. Therefore, first we write ascending order. First we write 6,428 and cross out this number. Next number you know, this number, less than 6,432. Next we compare this, also cross out. Next we compare this number and this number, 6,542 and 6,549. Here first and second number is same. Then so we compare third number 4 and here 4, that also same. Then we compare last number 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Which is smaller number? 6,000. 2 is smaller digit. Therefore, 6,542 write as the third number. Then last number 6,549. Then descending order. Descending order means the small arranging numbers from greatest to smallest. Then let's take an example. Then look here, 4,328, 539, 6,542. We have three numbers. And first we count the digit. Which is less digit? Here 4 digit, here 3 digit, and here 4 digit. Which is smaller number here? This have only 3 digit. Therefore, this is smaller. Sorry, descending order. Greatest number we write. Greatest number. This is smaller number. Therefore, we have to arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. So, we find which is greatest number. Then, this is smallest number. Therefore, we compare this number and this number. Then, 4,328 and 6,542. Here, these numbers have 4 digit. These numbers also have 4 digit. Therefore, we compare leftmost digit 4, 6. Which is greater number? Here, 6,542 is greater number. 6,542. Next, cross out this number. Next number, 4,000 greater than 4,328. Then last, the smallest number, 539. Then look here, first we count the digit. This number has only 3 digit, and then therefore this is the smallest number. And then we compare these numbers, and this have 4 digit, this also have 4 digit. Therefore, we compare leftmost digit 4 and 6. Here 4 is smallest number, smaller number, and 6 is greater number. Therefore, first we write greatest number, that is 6,542. Next greater number 4,328, and the smallest number 539. Once more. 8,342, 9,342, 8,649, 8,900. Look here, we have 4 numbers, and descending order means, tell me, descending order means arranging greatest number to smallest number. Here these numbers have 4 digits. Therefore, we compare leftmost digit. Here 8, here 9, here 8, here 8. 8, 9 or greatest number. Here 9 is greatest number. Therefore, first we write 9,342, and then cross out this number, and next number we compare 8,342, 8,649, 8,942. Leftmost digit is same. Therefore, we move to next number 3, 6, 9. Here 3, 6 or 9 is greatest number. 9 is the greatest number. Therefore, we write 8,942 as the second number. Then this number cross out, and then compare 8,342 and 8,649. And then first number 8, here also 8, and next number 3, 6. Which is greater? 6 is greater. Therefore, we write this number as the third, 8,649. Last number, that is the smallest number, is 8,342. 9342 greater than 8942 greater than 8649 greater than 8342. And then thank you. See you next class.